Okay, so let's quickly go through chapter number 5, which is all about straight lines. You guys have definitely seen this in GCSEs, so this should be more of a recap than something new to you. We're going to be looking at parallel lines, perpendicular lines, also finding the length between 2 points and areas of certain shapes. So the general form of a straight line, y is mx plus c, hopefully you guys know this, where m is the gradient, i.e. how steep this line is, and c is the y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis. You might also see it in this form here, ax plus by plus c. This is just all moved to one side, and sometimes the examiners do want you to write it in this form, but it's just another way of writing a straight line graph. Anyway, so first things first, when trying to find the equation, remember we always have to find the gradient first, this m value first. And there are many ways of doing this in maths, but the most basic way is just doing the change in y over change in x. Once we found the gradient, then we find the y-intercept by plugging in any of the two coordinates we are given and solving for c, and that will be your straight line graph. So let's look at an example. Let's say we have two coordinates, -4, -1 and -3, -9. And we want to find the straight line equation linking those two together. First things first, gradient, change in y over change in x. It doesn't matter which one you use first, so I'm going to say -9 minus -1 over -3 minus -4, which gives me -8. That's going to be my gradient value. So we can plug that in saying y is -8x plus c. Now we just have to find the c value. We can do this by plugging any of the two coordinates into it, okay? So it doesn't matter which one you want to plug in. I'm going to plug in this -4, -1, and I get a c value of -33. So the final equation will be y is -8x minus 33.